Hi friends, this is your gingerbread craft for your gingerbread list activity. So you will see that there is some data over here and there is a graph over here. So what we want you to do is we want you to look at the picture, count how many of these objects you see right here, and then color that many boxes going up, okay? So you'll see the first one is a gingerbread house. So count how many gingerbread houses you see. I know I see 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to color 4 boxes going up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I'm going to go on to the next one of what looks like the gingerbread's face. Okay, so count each object of how many you see and then graph it going up. Then you have 2 questions down here. Question number 1 says, which picture had the most votes? So which one of these pictures down here got the most votes, or the most of them over here on this side? You're going to write or draw a picture right here. Then for number 2, which picture had the least votes? So using this right here, which one of them got the least amount of votes? Again, you can write the name down here or you can draw the picture.